Hello, lovely viewers. It's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH, and welcome to the Matter Gags. Today's episode is going to be so hilarious, so stay glued to your seat. Now, our cup has run over. Ghanaians in Ghana are ready to speak Dutch. Yes, you heard me right. If you really want to know and you're ready for me, link up. Today, Ghanaians are going to read this Dutch. Ik begrijp je niet. Ik begrijp je niet. Gefeliciteerd. Gefeliciteerd.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Please tell me your name.
I'm Nana Kojo.
Nana Kojo, do you have a nickname?
Popularly known as Nana Container.
Okay. Please read this Dutch dialect.
Look at it.
Ik begrijp je niet.
Jesus!
What did you say?
Ik begrijp je niet.
Continue. No problem.
Gaddafi.
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Please tell me your name.
Philip Abeka.
Philip, do you have a nickname?
Yeah. Nana Sika.
Nana Sika, let's go.
12 seconds later.
Ik begrijp je niet.
Continue.
Gefeliciteerd.
Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Please tell us your name.
My name is Babang.
Babana, please, do you have a nickname?
Yes. Me and Nevi.
Mia Nevi, okay. Please read this Dutch dialect.
It's about to go down.
12 seconds later.
Ik begrijp je niet.
That's the way you talk. Repeat them again.
Ik begrijp je niet.
Wait, what did I hear?
Your head like a billow.
Continue. No problem.
Je feliciteerd.
Did you listen to yourself as you speak?
No, sir.
Are you funny?
Please tell me your name.
My name is Lodina.
Lodina, do you have a nickname?
No.
Okay, Lodina, let's go.
Ik be
Chai. Continue.
krip je niet.
Continue.
It's about to go down.
Jife li si tired. Tired.
Don't provoke me to anger, or else you'll be in danger.
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
What is your name?
My name is Chris Asari.
Chris, do you have a nickname? No. Okay, Chris, let's go.
12 seconds later.
Ik begrijp je niet.
Rono.
Je feliciteert.
You say?
Je feliciteert.
It's about to go down.
Hello, welcome to the Matter Gags. Please tell me your name.
I'm Eugene.
Eugene, do you have a nickname?
A lot.
Okay.
One of them.
Yes.
Santa Rosa.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. All right, I got it.
Santa Rosa, let's go.
Ik begrijp je niet.
A word storyteller. Are you sure?
Gefeliciteerd.
Thank you.
Thank you. You got me dropped.
Hello, lovely viewers. It's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH. I have a little message for you all. Henceforth, we will be posting our street quiz on the Matter Gags. The link is in the description box. Please kindly follow and subscribe. Please put your bell on all options to not miss a video. And please, we are really sorry for this inconvenience. And please, thank you for your understanding. Bye. We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.